Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel TNV Academy. Let's start with today's session. Whenever we see a truck on the highway, a delivery van in traffic or a bus carrying passengers, we usually think just another vehicle on the road. But behind every vehicle is a driver working long hours, a company managing deadlines and a family waiting for someone to return home safely. Now imagine this, one small mistake, one tired driver or one ignored vehicle issue, and within seconds, a normal journey can turn into a serious accident. That's why transport companies today cannot focus only on fast delivery. They also need safe delivery, and this is where International Organization for Standardization ISO 39001 becomes extremely important. Now the pressure transport companies face every day. Transport companies operate under constant pressure, faster deliveries, tight schedules, traffic, long driving hours, and customer expectations. Sometimes drivers skip breaks, vehicle miss maintenance check, and safety slowly becomes less important than speed. And honestly, that is where problems begin, because accidents don't usually happen suddenly. Small, ignored risks slowly build up over time. Tired drivers, weak brakes, overspeeding, distracted driving, until one day something goes seriously wrong. ISO 39001 helps companies stop problems early. The best thing about ISO 39001 is that it helps companies identify risk before accidents happen. Instead of reacting after a disaster, organizations start asking smarter questions. Are drivers getting proper rest? Are vehicles safe for long journeys? Are drivers under too much pressure? Are emergency plans ready? Are risky routes monitored properly? It's almost like giving the company a road safety radar. Problems are identified early before they become dangerous. So drivers need support, not just targets. Many people think road safety depends only on drivers, but the reality is even good drivers make mistakes when they are exhausted, stressed, or under pressure to deliver faster. That's why ISO 39001 encourages companies to train and support drivers properly. Drivers learn defensive driving, fatigue management, emergency handling, and safe road behavior. Because at the end of the day, drivers are not machines. They are human beings responsible for huge vehicles and precious lives on the road. And honestly, reaching safely is always a more important thing than reaching quickly. One small vehicle issue can cause a big accident. Imagine driving on a highway and suddenly the brakes fail. Sounds terrifying, right? Many accidents happen not because drivers are careless, but because vehicles are poorly maintained. ISO 39001 helps companies create proper maintenance systems for brakes, tires, lights, engines, and safety equipment. Sometimes one simple tire check or brake inspection can prevent a life-changing accident. That is how important maintenance really is. Now, safety actually saves companies money. Now, here is something interesting. Many companies think safety systems are expensive, but accidents are much more expensive. One major accident can lead to vehicle damage, hospital expenses, insurance claims, legal penalties, delayed deliveries, and loss of customer trust. Sometimes the company loses both money and reputation together. But when accidents reduce, operations become smoother. Customers trust the company more, and businesses actually save money in the long run. So ISO 39001 is not just about safety, it is smart business too. Now every safe journey matters. Transport companies using ISO 39001 are not just protecting vehicles or deliveries. They protect drivers, passengers, businesses, and families. Because every safe journey means someone gets to return home safely at the end of the day. And honestly, no delivery deadline is ever more important than a human life. If you connected with this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy and engaging ISO content. Thanks for watching.